In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change sensitive content settings on X, Twitter. First, we will start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL https://x.com and press enter. You will see the homepage of X load on your screen. It is essential to ensure you are on the correct site to access your account settings. Take a moment to look around if you need to. This is where all your interaction happens, and getting the right settings is crucial for a comfortable experience on the platform. Once that is done, look to the left sidebar of the homepage. You will notice several options listed there. Click on the option labeled More. This action will expand a menu for you, revealing additional options. It is important to know where this setting is located because it allows you to manage your privacy and safety preferences easily. You should see the More option highlighted now, indicating that you are on the right path. Next up, after clicking More, you will see a list of settings. Click on Settings and Privacy. This will take you deeper into your account settings. Here, you will be able to control various aspects of your account. This step is significant because it acts as a gateway to the privacy controls that help tailor your experience on X. Make sure the page loads fully before proceeding. Now, on the Settings and Privacy page, you will see several categories. Click on Privacy and Safety. This section is where you can manage who can see your tweets and how your content is displayed. It is vital to configure these settings to ensure your account reflects your preferences. Once you select Privacy and Safety, you should see new options appearing on your screen. From there, look for the option labeled Content You See. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. You will begin to customize how you interact with media on X. The Content You See settings allow you to filter and manage sensitive content. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available here. Next, we will enable the option to display media that may contain sensitive content. You will find a toggle switch for display media that may contain sensitive content. Click to enable this option. This action will allow you to see more diverse content that might otherwise be filtered out. It is crucial for those who want a broader view of discussions happening on the platform. Once you enable it, you will see a confirmation appear. After that, if you wish to hide sensitive content again, you can follow similar steps. Open Settings and Privacy once more. You will need to navigate back through the same menus, so ensure you keep your focus. It might feel repetitive, but understanding how to navigate this section is essential for future adjustments. Now click on Privacy and Safety again. From there, go back to Content You See. You will find the toggle for display media that may contain sensitive content. Click to disable this option. This action will restrict the media you see, allowing for a more curated experience. It is important to take this step if you prefer a more controlled viewing environment. With that ready, you can now enjoy your customized experience on X, whether you want to see more or less sensitive content. Remember that you can always return to these settings whenever you wish to make adjustments. Thank you for following along and enjoy your time on X.